Hey, what's up, man? I didn't even know I was doing a video today, but I just came in Glen Burnie Motorsports and seen this bike right here. And it's called the CF Moto. My brother said he already knew about it. I'd never seen it before, but because I still want a mini moto one day, but I just, I'm not rushing to get one, but I want one. But I want to see how this feels compared to the Grum and the Kawasaki Z and all that. I like how it feels though, far as it feels more like a Kawasaki Z to me. Suspension is stiff. But like bro said, he said this is the Grom killer. They say this is a Grom killer too. Everything's a Grom killer now though, so I don't know. I don't know what speed it is. I don't know how much it costs or nothing. I'm gonna ask them about it though before I leave.
Hey, hop on a bike on a wheelie, hit the throw and go. Might wheelie through the city, something you already know. Put the bike on 12, drop back, just coast. Sit back, just watch, 50cc show.
I'm trying to practice my knee knots. I'm just not good enough. Hey, almost fucked up.
Straight up?
It was just like I went up once and then I hit again and
Okay,
again.
that bad. You were trying to cook.
No, I was just trying to get, that joint was a mistake. Hey, so I'm not trying to go up that high for real. I'm just trying to take my hand off. I'm just trying to take my hand off the bike a little bit and then put it back on. Just getting used to that feeling right now. So I'm just like, pop it up, take my hand off, put it back on, put the bike back down until I get really comfortable, and then I'll start flying. putting it back on, getting comfortable with the feeling of one hand in the wheelie, man. Oh, I love this game. me see you do it. Let me see you do it. Yeah, you definitely progressed. You definitely progressed.
So this was real. I'm like, just, once I popped it up a good time, then I keep my like on the throttle too, with the throttle grip, I keep it at the same point.
Yeah, for sure.